exhaust you got on that bad boy?
Borla ATAK.
Oh, Borla?
Gosh. That's aggressive.
Yeah.
So what would you say is your like gas mileage?
In town, it'd be about 16.
16, yeah.
And then on the highway, I'm getting about 12, which isn't bad.
That's not bad.
No,
that's
not bad.
fucking
It
bad.
really depends on how I'm driving it.
Yeah.
Like when they were dynoing, I think it was getting like 30 liters per 100.
Yeah.
Like, as they're just driving the shit out of it, right, on the dyno, right?
God darn it.
So it's got a 3200 stall in it as well. It's got Hellcat lifters. I've deleted the MDS.
Oh shit.
It's got hardened steel.
Oh, did you keep the MDS or you kicked that out?
No, got rid of it.
Got rid of it, yeah.
Because that's the issue. Like, I never had an issue with this car ever.
Yeah.
And that's not why I cammed it.
Yeah.
But I got rid of all the issues that this car could have had.
Yes, 100%.
With the 6.4s.
Yeah.
So now this car is literally bomb-proof. I put 17 into it. 17,000. I daily drive it in the summertime.
Yeah,
It's only got 78,000 kilometers on it.
That's it?
Yeah, so I have better
my
tires. I got lightweight rims now on it. These rims
nice.
only weigh 22 pounds.
Yes,
Whereas
yeah.
the stock ones were 37 pounds a tire. The rims are 11 inches wide, so the tire itself is almost 13 inches.
Fuck yeah.
And then I've got the Nito tires on it.
Yeah.
So you can smell that unburnt.
Oh, I smell that. Oh, it's so good.
Cats.
No cats, baby. Hey, actually there is cats, by the way.